Welcome to Ice-Filled Mathematics Clinic. We are streaming online for the first time today. Ice-Filled Mathematics Clinic is part and parcel of Ice-Filled Innovations Clinic. Speaking is Ntate Mgunimatole. You can call me Baba Mgunimatole. I am here to show you the discipline required to understand each and every sector that we are going to deal about. I'm going to give you the fundamentals and the comprehension of the section that we are going to deal about, for you to be able to answer each and every question that you will need to answer in the classroom or in an exam. Today's topic is the slope of a straight line. Now let us get into it. The slope of a straight line is m equals to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1, where x1 is not equals to x2. If x1 is equals to x2, the slope is undefined in the set of real numbers. The slope of a straight line is the ratio of the rise to the run. That is, slope m is equals to rise in y and run in x. Figure 1. From figure 1, here is figure 1. A2 is to 1 coordinates, and B 6 is to 4 coordinates. From A, which is this point, rise in y is equals to 3, and run in x is equals to 4. That is, slope m is equals to 3 over 4. Now, let me show you what I'm talking about. From A to the line B at y equals to 4, we move from A is 1, 2, 3y, and then from here to B is 1, 2, 3, 4. Rise in y is 3, as I've indicated here, and run in x is 4. Now, I'm going to go again, show you an alternative approach. Let's take figure 1a. Figure 1a below. Figure 1a below. Right. I'm going to sketch the graph. Where is my ruler? 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 Here is my ruler. Then we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Figure 1A represents figure A. Figure 1A represents figure 1. It's the same, right? X-axis, Y-axis. A is 2 and 1 coordinates. B is 6 and 4 coordinates. B is 6 and 4 coordinates. Let us draw the line. There we are. Then what else do we have? M, slope M. Now we are going to start from B. When we start from B, we have y equals to -3. Then we go to A horizontally. Then we have x equals to -4. Here is the direction, which is negative. Here is the direction again, which is negative. Right. From B, figure 1A below. Let's mark it as figure 1A. Figure 1A. From B, rise in y equals to -3 and run in x equals to -4. That is slope M is equals to -3 over -4, which is equals to 3 over 4. Nota bene, note that MAB is equals to MBA equals to 3 over 4. Whatever form you choose to make and the approach, it will be the same. It doesn't matter whether you start from A to B or from B to A. Now let us go to the properties of slopes, which is very important, which is very critical for you to comprehend now. When we go further, you don't get confused. Now we go to slopes, properties of slopes, properties of slopes, which is M. Now let's underline these properties of slope. There are 3 properties. There are 3 properties. 1, the vertical slope. The vertical slope, undefined. Consider point P, 2 and 3 coordinates, and point Q, 2 and 1 coordinate, and we call it figure 1B. Figure 1B. Three, 2, 1, 0, 1, 2, 3. That is x-axis from 1 to 3. arrowhead x-axis and y-axis. Therefore, our point P is 2 and 1. P is 2 and 1, and our point Q is 2 and 3. Here is your vertical line PQ. Right now, line PQ. What do we have, line PQ? M equals to YQ minus YP all over XQ minus XP, which is equals to 3 minus 1 over 2 minus 2, which will give you 2 over 0 and is undefined in the set of real numbers. Right. Then we go to the second one. The second one is the horizontal slope. The horizontal slope. M equals to 0. M equals to 0. Then consider A, negative 1 and 2, and B, 2 and 2 coordinates. Let's call this figure 1C. Figure 1C, then what do we have? We have negative 1, 2, 1, 0 y-axis. Then we have negative 1, 0, 1, 2 on the x-axis. We draw the line. The x-axis line, we have x here, and then the y-axis line. The y-axis line, we have y here. Then A is equals to negative 1 and 2. B is 2 and 2 coordinates. Therefore, we draw the line AB. We draw the line AB. What do we have? Line AB. Line AB. Line AB. What we have for line AB? M equals to YB minus YA all over XB minus XA being equals to 2 negative 2 all over where are you all over 2 negative 2 over 2 plus 1, which is 0 over 3, which gives us 0. Right. Then we move to the third one. The third one is diagonal slopes. Diagonal slope. X is not equals to 0 and x is defined. X is defined. That is, now consider point point A, which is consider point A, which is 2 and 1, and B, which is 6 and 4, from figure 1. Figure 1. We have M, which is slope, equals to YB minus YA all over XB minus XA, which is equals to 4, which is equals to 4 negative 1 all over 4 negative 6 minus 2, which gives us 3 over 4. Now, let us do some class exercises regarding all the properties of slopes. Case study 1. Case study 1. Figure 1D. Figure 1D. Here is figure 1D. I'm going to choose 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1, 4 for y-axis, which is 0, then minus 1, minus 2. Therefore, this is what we are going to have. Therefore, y-axis. Then we move, we come to the x-axis. We get negative 2, we get negative 1, we get 1, we get 2, we get 3, we get 4. Therefore, let me put that A, point A, and then I want us to go to B. This is B. Then we move to C. This is point C. Then we move to point D. This is point D. Then we move to point E. This is point E. Then we move to point E. We move to point F. This is point F. Then we move to point G. This is point G, and then we move to point H. This is point H. Right. Determine the slopes of each line from point A, right. Case study 1, A, right. A coordinates is 2, negative 2, and 1, and B is 2 is 2 is 2, B is 2 and 3. MAB is equals to YB minus YA over XB minus XA, which is equals to 3 minus 1 over 2 plus 2. Over 2 plus 2, which gives MAB equals to 2 over 4 equals to half. If you liked the exercise, please subscribe so that I can show you how to continue with this. Thank you very much.